Three former U.S. presidents have volunteered to have their COVID-19 vaccinations be publicly televised. Early Briones will tell us why. Live. Early?
LC, former U.S. Presidents Barack Obama, George W. Bush, and Bill Clinton announced their willingness to be vaccinated against COVID-19 while being filmed on television in a campaign to promote public confidence on the safety and effectiveness of the new vaccine. The three former U.S. presidents voiced out their hopes in convincing the public, especially their fellow Americans, in getting vaccinated once the vaccine becomes available. On a Wednesday interview with SiriusXM Radio hosted by Joe Madison, Obama declared his trust on Dr. Anthony Fauci, director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases. Obama stated that if Fauci deems the vaccine safe, then he will no doubt take it himself, even if it means getting vaccinated on public television.
And I promise you that when it's then made for people who are less at risk, I will be taking it, and I may end up taking it on TV or having it filmed just so that people know that I trust this science.
Okay.
And what I don't trust is getting COVID.
On the same notion, Freddie Ford, Bush chief of staff, announced on CNN USA that Bush is also willing to get vaccinated on camera once the U.S. Food and Drug Administration grants its approval. Clinton's press secretary Angel Urena also announced on CNN USA that he will also get vaccinated in a public setting as a part of the campaign for all Americans to follow. A major concern for health experts, however, are those hesitant and non-compliant with vaccinations. During his radio interview, Obama helped clarify the milestones that vaccinations have allowed health and science to achieve.
But the fact of the matter is that vaccines are why we don't have polio anymore. And they're the reason why we don't have a whole bunch of kids dying from measles and smallpox and diseases that used to decimate in entire populations and communities.
On December 10, a panel of outside advisors of the U.S. Food and Drug Administration is due to have a meeting to discuss the need for an emergency use and approval of the vaccine developed by Pfizer Inc. and BioNTech, which shows a 95% efficacy. Trials will be expected to start days or weeks after its approval, while higher-risk populations such as healthcare workers and residents to be the first recipients. Elsie?
Thank you, Early, live from Australia.